Hi, everyone. I'm Josh Radbod, co-founder and CEO of the PBC Conference, the B2B conference for payments, banking, and compliance in the cannabis industry. I'd like to welcome Michael Catudal, managing partner of Capital Business Collective, a PBC Conference bronze sponsor. Michael, thank you so much for being here. Please tell us a little bit about you and what your business does.
Sure. Thanks, Josh, and thank you for having me. This is fantastic. We're looking forward to the conference. So Capital Business Collective is a cannabis industry boutique investment bank based in Bethesda, Maryland. We are focusing on capital raise, typically between 2 and 10 million, but even upwards of 50 million, depending on the situation. We also do some sell side M&A as well. Our clients are throughout the US and Canada, but also Europe and Australia as well. So we're worldwide. And we're vertical agnostic within cannabis. So we'll work with plant touching companies, non-plant touching, tech, ancillary, growers, manufacturers, whatever it needs to be. And so, yeah, from a high level, that's who we are.
Awesome. So that's great. You'll pretty much work with anyone in the space. That's fantastic. So I guess quick follow-up question. What are you really looking for in a company? Like when you find a right company you want to invest in, what types of, I guess, points are you looking for in that entity?
Yeah, so I mean, we tend to focus on early stage to middle market companies. However, it is really important, I'd say, particularly in the cannabis industry, to have some traction already. It's very difficult to do business with pre-revenue companies or pure ideas, pure startups. It's just harder to get them funded. So people who are at least making money, they've been in business for 1 to 2 years at minimum. Obviously, EBITDA positive is good, but not necessarily a requirement. But then on top of that, it's we like to look at who the management team is. Are they seasoned? Are they recent grads? Are the people who have done this before? Have they had any exits? Do they know what they're doing from previous experience? We really just we spend a lot of time diving into each opportunity to make sure that it's a company that not only is dare I say worthy of funding, but can survive even after they get funded. And that's our responsibility if we're going to be introducing these people to investors, to make sure that we're presenting investors with the right opportunities to make a return. So yeah.
100%. Thank you for the explanation. So high level experience and quality team, been in business for at least 1 to 2 years and have made at least some money so far.
Exactly. Yeah.
Got it. Perfect. Thank you. So kind of switching focus to our conference, who would you like to meet at PBC 21 and why?
Two parts to that question. We really enjoy going to conferences to meet potential clients. Obviously, we want to meet who the players are in the space, who's new, who's still in it, who's doing what, and what trends are emerging. So I really enjoy meeting prospective clients, or even if there's no immediate opportunity to work with them, just getting to know people and expanding our network. The other part of that is we go to conferences to expand our investor network, or as we call it, our investor collective, that Capital Business Collective. And as many companies that are out there looking to raise money, we need to have as many investors in our network to be able to fund these opportunities. So conferences for us are a good opportunity to network on that side of the desk as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that, Mike. And one final question here that everyone likes. What is one fact about you that would surprise everyone?
So I'm from the Boston area, so I'm a diehard Pats fan. And this may win or lose me points, but I really wanted Brady to lose the Super Bowl.
Ooh.
Maybe just a little vendetta. I don't know, but that's one fun fact.
And he's coming back for next year. I mean, could do it again. Who knows?
Yeah, I'll forgive him now, but he is the GOAT.
There you go. Well, Michael, thank you so much for being here and for sponsoring our PBC 2021 conference. Folks, if you would like to meet Michael and his team, please join us this year at the Washington Capitol Hilton on September 9th and 10th. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.